This is the Medical Minute. My name is Dr. Ronald Anglade. I am a urologist who practices at the Georgia Urology locations in Gwinnett County. We have 7 urologists in our group who treat all of our urological conditions, both adult and pediatric. We have 3 office locations in Gwinnett, which include our offices in Lawrenceville, Snellville, and Duluth. The Lawrenceville and Duluth offices can be reached at 770-963-2451, and our Snellville location can be reached at 770-979-9427. We offer treatment for kidney stones, including laser surgery, as well as shockwave treatments. We offer robotic services as well as state-of-the-art techniques for the treatment of urological malignancies, which include prostate cancer, bladder cancer, testicular cancer, and others. Doctors in our offices have performed the first robotic surgeries for prostate cancer in Gwinnett County. We also offer minimally invasive surgeries for enlarged prostate, including laser surgery, as well as vaporization of the prostate, which require very short hospital stays and very little recovery time, as well as treatment for erectile dysfunction, voiding difficulties, including urinary frequency and urgency, as well as urinary incontinence. These are just some of the treatments that we can offer for many of the urological conditions that are out there, and we look forward to offering them to you and your family members. This has been the Medical Minute with Dr. Ronald Anglade of Georgia Urology, Gwinnett.